Hello everyone, I am Saif Khalid from HTML Coin. I am going to teach you how you will create a smart contract and add a token in your desktop wallet. You need to open three websites. First of all, github.com/htmlcoin.html token. I will copy this URL in the description of this video, right? Second website you need to open is remix.ethereum.org, and third one is explorer.html.coin.com, right? So you can verify your smart contract. First of all, click on GitHub and click on the html token.sol and copy all the code. I will select all the code. Right click and choose copy, right? Second, I will go to the remix.ethereum.org, and here you will use previous version because this is more easy to use. Here you will just you will click on the positive sign, create new file in the browser storage explorer. Here is a plus sign, you will click on this, and here you will choose the file name as your token name or your contract name, right? So I will choose Pakistan. Suppose I will choose HTML. I will choose Pakistan. .as well, right? Click on OK. It will start a new file. Just right click and choose the paste code. Now your code is pasted. You need to edit three options. First of all, your contract name, it is Pakistan. Second one is its short code. It will be maximum of 4 letters. I will choose PKS, right? I already have one contract with the PK, so I have changed it to PKS. Now you will choose the maximum supply, total supply, right? So I will choose 100 million, and that's it. Now you need to compile the code. You will select the compiler option, select new compiler version, and here you will go 0.4.25 and look for 59, right? This is the compiler you need to compile your code. After choosing this, it will automatically compile the code, and you just need to click on details, and here from object you will copy this object. This is a very long code you need to copy. You need to drag it for a while. Okay, just select from it and right click and choose copy. Now open your desktop folder. First of all, you need to go to setting options, and here you need to ensure that enable log events should be checked, right? Click on OK, and now you go to the smart contracts and click on create. Here in bytecode you will paste the code which you already copied from the website. Now you need ABI. It's giving an error because there was a space in the start. I deleted the space and it's all okay to go. Now we'll choose the ABI. This is ABI. You will click on copy. This is a copy button. It will show you it's copied to the clipboard. Now you paste here. Okay, now you need to choose the HTML sender address. You just click any of address which you have, but you must remember it because you need to choose this again. I am here selecting HAH and N13 at the last. Click on this. You don't need to change anything else, just click on create contract. Obviously you must have some HTML coin in balance so that you can consume this balance and create the contract. Click on yes, and here you go, your contract is created. Contract address, you can see the contract address. Here you can see result 1 and contract address. Just copy this contract address. You need to have it to create a token later, right? So now you go to the transaction here, and here you see contract send. You need to wait for a while and you will see the mine contract will be mined and your coins will be here, your tokens will be here. Okay, now the transaction is mined. You can see the mine transaction, so it means your contract is available right now and you can add the HRC token. So here is the same address, you can see HEH and N13. Now you will go to the first, you copy the contract address, right click and copy, go to the HRC tokens, and here you will just paste the contract code. When you will paste, you will see token name and token symbol comes automatically. Now you will choose the same address. It was you can see in transaction HEH and 13. Okay, now you will go for HEH. Now you will choose the same address HEH 913 and click on confirm. As soon as you will click on confirm, you will see your contract PKS and 100 million supply. This is how you will deploy your smart contract and add HRC token. Now if you want to verify your contract on the Explorer, click on smart contract, copy the contract code again, and you go to the HTML coin explorer. Here you can paste this address, your contract address, and when you will press enter, you will see token PKS, right? This is your token name and this is the total supply, right? So your contract is on the block explorer. You can now send and receive your tokens. Thank you.